हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू सुप्रीम स्टेनो क्लासेस। गाइस, कल मैंने एक आपको डिक्टेशन दिया था गरीब नवाज कॉर्पोरेशन वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र को, जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो है ऑर्डर दिया था। उसी का जो है आज मैं पार्ट 2 जो है आपको दे रहा हूं डिक्टेशन के रूप में। बी रेडी। 5 सेकेंड। The High Court accordingly quashed the order dated 21/8/2004 granting extension of the contract to Messrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation and directed the state to invite fresh tenders for collection of tolls at 3 checkposts at Goregaon, Marol and Powai of Are Milk Colony. In the impugned judgment and order, the High Court further directed the State of Maharashtra to appoint a committee to determine the loss caused to the state exchequer as a result of waiver of condition number 5 of the original contract, as well as from the order granting extension for a period of 3 years to Messrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation, and further directed that this committee shall compute the loss for the period of extension from 17 to 2005 till the passing of the impugned judgment and order by the High Court. The High Court further directed in the impugned judgment and order that the loss determined by the committee for the extended period shall be recovered from Messrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation, and the loss suffered by the state on account of deletion of condition number 5 of the original contract as determined by the committee shall be recovered from Sri Anis Ahmad, the then Minister for Dairy Development, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. The High Court also directed that the state will ensure that no such extension of contracts is guaranteed by its various departments and instrumentalities in future except for valid reasons recorded in writing. Aggrieved by these directions in the impugned judgment and order of the division bench of the High Court, Messrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation and Sri Anis Ahmad, the Minister, have filed the two special leave petitions on 1/10/2007. This court, while issuing notice in SLP C number 17756 of 2007, directed that in the meantime, if a committee is constituted pursuant to the directions of the impugned judgment and order of the High Court, the committee may continue with the inquiry, but no amount shall be recovered from the petitioner. During the pendency of the special leave petitions, the state of Maharashtra constituted a committee as directed in the impugned judgment and order. This committee had submitted its report dated 27/2009, which is annexed to the application for permission to file additional documents on record filed in SLP C number 17756 of 2007. Decision. The directions in the impugned judgment and order for recovery of loss, if any, determined by the committee from the two petitioners, Messrs. Garib Nawaz Corporation and Sri Anis Ahmad, have not ultimately affected the said two petitioners. The remaining directions in the impugned judgment and order of the High Court to the authorities to issue fresh tenders for recovery of toll from private vehicles at 3 checkposts of Are Malik Colony, and not to grant extensions in future except for reasons to be recorded in writing, do not affect the two petitioners and are meant to ensure that no loss is caused to the public exchequer in future by grant of extensions. For these reasons, we are not inclined to interfere with the impugned judgment and order of the High Court. Stop. सो गाइस ये डिक्टेशन था। स्टार्टिंग में स्पीड मैंने हाई रखा था, बाद में इसको लो रखा गया है, क्योंकि फ्लक्चुएशंस जो है कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, इसलिए मैं वेरियस टाइप्स का फ्लक्चुएशंस करके देता हूं। आपको हमेशा वर्स्ट कंडीशन के लिए मैं रेडी करना चाहता हूं, ताकि आप जो है किसी भी कंडीशन में घबराएं नहीं, अच्छे से डिक्टेशंस को लिखें और एग्जाम को क्रैक करें। तो मेरा यही मोटिव रहता है। तो होप सो आपको पसंद आया होगा डिक्टेशन। तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।